Hey there, it's Codacy. Today, I will show my inventory project in Python. Here's how the project turns out. So this inventory can help users keep track of how many items they have and categorize them. Here's the navigation bar where the users can choose to add category, add item, and view the entire inventory list. So let's start with adding a few categories. I'll just enter food and shower. This section shows the categories created and how many items are under that category. To edit the category, just need to select and it'll appear here. Then, just click Update. To delete, just select and click Delete. Any items under the category that has been deleted will also be deleted. But right now, there are no items. If the user creates an already existing category, an error will appear, as well as trying to create a category with no name. Moving on to the add item, I'll add some random items. Similar to the previous panel, edit and delete works the same way. This section shows the list of items with the category it's in. So unlike the category, users can put items with the same name. But if any part of this is empty, there will be an error message. Now, if users want to see the entire inventory, they can go to this panel. In here, users can sort the items based on the category. To update is simple. Just click Edit the number and then click Update. That's all for the demo. Time to see the code. So starting from this project, I will be uploading my finished project on Github. If you want to see the code, here's the link. I also put the link in the description. That is all for this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more programming videos. I'll see you in the next one.